PN junction VI characteristics reverse biased PN junction diode. So this is the circuit for the reverse biased diode. The diode cathode of the diode is connected to the positive of the supply. Anode of the diode is connected to the negative of the supply. The ammeter measures the reverse current, which is in microamps, 0 to 500 microamps ammeter. And the voltmeter measures the reverse voltage VR. 0 to 30 volts, we have used the voltmeter. So we have the microammeter 0 to 500 microamps, voltmeter 0 to 30 volts, the resistor and the diode. Now we will start the experiment. Switch on the supply, and now the first reading, both the voltage is 0, the current is also 0, so we will note it down. Next we will keep the voltage at 1 volt. We will increase the RPS voltage. Now you look at the voltage across the diode VR is 1 volt, the current is 40 microamps, so we will note it down. Next we'll keep the voltage at 2 volts, so the voltage across the diode is now 2 volts and the current is 80 microamps, so we will note down the current as 80 microamps. Next we will increase further. The voltage across the diode is 3 volts and the current is 120 microamps. We will note it down. Like that we will increase the voltage to 4 volts. The current is now 160 microamps. Increase the voltage further to 5 volts. The current is 200 microamps. 6 volts, the current is 240 microamps, so we will write it down. Next 7 volts, the current is 280 microamps, as you see here. Then 8 volts, the current is 320 microamps. 9 volts, the current is 380, almost 360 microamps. And 10 volts, the current is 400 microamps. So we will write down all this in the table, and we will see that for 12 volts the current is, or 11 volts the current is around 400, it's crossing 500 microamps. So we will stop the experiment here. So whatever readings we have noted down, we can see that the current is always in microamps and it is very less even if the voltage increases. And we will now plot this VR and IR in the graph to show the VI characteristics and calculate the reverse resistance.